If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, let me tell you about a feature I think you are going to want in your next microwave. Infrared sensor technology. This advanced technology takes the guesswork out of reheating and cooking your food, making mealtime easier and more efficient, all with less cleanup. And who doesn't want that? Unlike traditional microwaves that rely on preset times and turntables, microwaves with an infrared sensor can actually detect the heat emitted by your food in real time. This means the microwave can automatically adjust the power level and cooking time to ensure your food is heated perfectly. No more overcooked edges or cold centers, and more importantly, no more splatters. This feature also saves you time. You don't have to stop, check, and stir your food multiple times. The microwave does all the work for you, making meal prep faster and more convenient. So if you want a smarter, more reliable way to cook and reheat in the microwave, look for one with infrared sensor technology. Let Schaefer show you all the options and see the difference it can make in your kitchen.